Tom Simmons, and we're reporting from River Oaks, Texas. This is my co-anchor,
Joe Dirt.
We have a special guest with us today. His name is Tommy Gordon. Tommy Gordon has recently lost his family
And his home.
In a volcano explosion. We would like to advise some safety tips for everyone. Safety tips are, if you see anyone outside stranded, please let them in. Also, beware. Always be watching the news. Jacob, would you like to give any more tips?
I'm just gonna go over the basics right now. Are you okay? You need to step to the side. I'm just gonna go over the basics of the volcano. Volcanoes are very dangerous. They can burn down and hurt people.
Yes, they also.
It's really bad.
Landslides and stuff.
Yeah, and yes, it can destroy Mother Nature, and it takes a while for it to build back up. So you want to go from there?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I'll go set him up.
Yeah, and I'll talk. All right. He's gonna go take him down. We got him in a spot right now. It's temporary area, and it's gonna be good until the volcano overrides and all.
Yeah, there has been this time inside. There's been an explosion.
There's an explosion. Where's the explosion? Where's the explosion?
Oh my god.
Oh my!